What's going on, guys? So today I am going to show you how to create forms in Google Forms. So let's start. So first, open up your web browser, and here open up your Google Apps right here. Now scroll down and find Forms, and let's open this one by clicking, and it is going to take us to this page. Now, there are some templates that you can actually build from. So for example, here we have find a time, RSVP, contact information, party invite, t-shirt sign up, and what have you. So for example, if you want this form to be a contact information, you can just click on this template, and here you will have a ready-made template for your needs. All right, now say for example, you want to build from scratch. You can also do that by clicking on blank form right here. Now, once here, you will be given an untitled document. So let's add a title first here. So say for example, this is a form for a survey. So here you can add your description. Let's say this is a sample survey. So first, let's type in the question. Let's say, how satisfied are you with the service? Okay. So here you will have different options. You can have linear scale. You can also have multiple choice, check boxes, or a drop down. So for this one, let's go ahead and use linear scale. So you can choose if it is 1 to 5, or you can also do 1 to 10. So for example, here, let's just choose 1 to 3. And here you can say satisfied. And then here you can say disappointed. All right, so after this one, you can add your second question. You can click on this plus icon right here, and you can ask your next question. So for example, you could say, would you recommend our service to your friends? So let's do another option here. You can do multiple choice. You can do check boxes, or you can also do drop down. You can do linear rating and so much more. So let's go with multiple choices. So here, option 1, let's say yes. And then you can say add another option. We can say no. Like, we can add another one. Maybe. All right. Now, after that one, you can click on this plus icon here to add another question. All right. Now, if you want to create another section, you can click on this icon here that says add section. And this is going to open up a new section for you. Now, you can give this section a title. For example, you can say customer feedback. You can add your description, or if you don't want to, you can also leave this blank. Now we can add some questions. Let's click on the plus icon right here, and then you can type your question right here. So you can also insert images from here. Let's click on this image icon. So here you will have several options. You can upload your own file. You can get it from your webcam, from your URL, some photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. So for this one, let's upload a picture. Let's click and browse. Now let's choose a random photo here. Let's go to picture, and let's choose this one and click open. So here you can see that we inserted the image. So aside from image, you can also insert a video right here. You can just click on this add video icon, and you can insert videos from YouTube. All right, now once you're happy with your form, you can click on publish, and it will be live, and you should be good to go. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.